Birds are back. Got this one bird I want to try and give you guys a shot of. It's got like a red plumage on it, on the top. What's this one? I guess that's maxed on the zoom. Kind of hear him out there. They still at that Athanasius. Yeah, it snowed last night. They seem to come after the snow. Yeah, the other one flew away. This one's still getting his feel. It's funny, I'm starting to be able to tell the males from the females. Females are a slender body, but with a longer neck. And their weight seems to be disproportionate. Like, how do you say? They're slimmer. They seem to be a little more sleeker, whereas the males, they have a bulk about them. They're more rounded. She's coming back. She's back there.